How to fix this video is unavailable error 4 on YouTube. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the "This video is unavailable error 4" problem on YouTube. If you're getting this message every time you try to play a video, don't worry. I'll walk you through step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can do this in any browser. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. That's your Settings menu. Next, go down and select Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Then, open Third-Party Cookies and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube. You'll now see all the data stored by YouTube. Go ahead and clear YouTube's cache and site data related to YouTube. This helps remove any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Next, scroll down to the bottom left side and click on Extensions. Here you'll see all the extensions you've installed in your browser. Go ahead and turn off all your extensions one by one. Sometimes one of them interferes with YouTube playback. After that, refresh your browser and try playing the video again. If everything went well, the "This video is unavailable error 4" issue should be gone, and your video should play normally. If you're still getting the same error, don't worry. One last thing you can try is switching to a different browser. Sometimes just changing browsers can completely solve the issue. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.